Show your support if you really believe it. Each and every one of you bet on Tony Bellew to win this fight. Because if you really think he can win, you can all win and you'll all be happy at the end of it. But deep in all of your tiny minds, you know this guy's getting drilled to the canvas pretty fast. Just remember to look after your boy. When he comes back to Liverpool afterwards, make sure all of you guys are there for him because he's going to need all of your help. Believe me, he will need your help, so be there for your boy.
I'll be honest, I'm expecting the very, very best of David Haye. But I understand fully it's not going to be there for very long. And when the gas tank runs out, the big fat scouser is going to steam right through him like a steam train. I'm not going to stop. I am not going to stop. I promise you that. Don't quit.
You'll make sure your boy doesn't throw in the towel. That's what I'm saying.
No one's throwing no towels here, mate. We don't wave no white flags where I'm from, boy. We just fight.
We'll see.
What we do. As long as there's no excuses, it's going to go
destructive mode. I'm in that vibe. I'm in that nice place.
You look beautiful, to be honest. Your hair looks great. You look beautiful.
I feel beautiful.
You look absolutely fantastic.
I feel fresh. My skin's clear.
The vitamin D is flowing through your body. I've heard it all before, David.
And you'll feel it.
You look fantastic. I'll be honest. Today you look good. Look light, but you look good, mate. this lot. Putting my hands up all night.
Hey, mind that.
Brilliant. That's done, mate.